Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gitu. I'm an aerospace engineer and a watercolor artist based out of the UK. You can find all of my paintings and process videos on Instagram as Colorful Mystique. And today I'm here to show you what I have got from Artphilosophy. So this is their Artphilosophy DT box, and they have sent me a box of supplies because I am their brand ambassador. So Artphilosophy is basically a US brand, and they have this DT call once a year through their Instagram profile, which is basically Artphilosophico. And all you have to do is you have to use the hashtag that they mention and post your paintings on it, and from that list they'll just select you. So last year I participated in that and I got selected as one of their brand ambassadors. So now they have sent me a box of art supplies. This is actually the second box of art supplies that they're sending me. They sent me one back in May or June last year when it was the first bigger box than this and a whole lot of supplies. So this now is the second DT box, which consists of lots of supplies which I had mentioned to them that I needed replenished, and also some things that were used up, So they have also sent some extra goodies in it. I'm so excited to open and see what's inside. So let's dig in. Every time unboxing something is like the most happy feeling, isn't it? So here, let's see. Oh my god, it's just a lot of supplies. I love it. So here, this is the first thing that is in the box. So this is their Odyssey set. It's a watercolor, concentrated watercolors. It's a box like this inside. Okay. Then more. The Currents palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from the Artphilosophico set, because can you see it's got all of these beautiful colors in it. Basically the best for painting oceans and beaches and sea paintings, because it's all of the blues and greens that you would ever need, and the names are also really superb. I'll show you someday what are the colors included in the Currents palette. So then again, here it's the Woodlands palette. Again, it's, as the name suggests, a lot of colors included in which it is easy to paint woodlands. So a mix of green and browns in this palette. Then some watercolor tubes. So yeah, these are the tubes that I had mentioned that I've used up because I really love their burnt umber and permanent brown. This is like, I use them all the time, the burnt umber and the permanent brown. And so are these. These are going to finish. So that's why I had asked for these and they sent me. So the extra palettes, concentrated watercolors, are extra, and these are the ones that I had asked. So Viridian, this one is Crimson, that's Indigo, and that's Rose Madder. And this is also something I hadn't asked. So this is mixed media paper. So they've sent me 3 of them, the mixed media paper. I'm yet to know what is inside. I mean, I've never used their mixed media paper, so I've got to check it out. And this is all the first time I'm getting this one. So it's Artphilosophy watercolor confetti set. So it's got these colors. It's kind of like a basic set where you can take for outside painting or plein air, because it's got so many colors, and a cute little box that fits in your bag. Okay, I've got some more tubes. So this is permanent red, and here Prussian blue. And I've got another palette, that's the Terrain palette. So as its name suggests, it's got lots of greens and red, like kind of best for spring. Also, it's spring now, so it's best for that. And then the Essence palette. So I don't know how to explain these. The names of the Essence palette are so cool, and so are the colors. There. Then yeah, so these are concentrated liquid watercolors. So you can see, I can see the shades. This is taxi, this is cafe. The names are so cool. Their naming convention is what I like the most, because the names literally make you laugh. So it's rust, it's because the color is like a rustic color. And this one is bright pink. And this one is candy, so you can see it's like a candy color. And what else? Oh, there. So this is basically the new set that they just introduced. It's their gouache set. So premium gouache colors, 18 shades included in this one. I'm very excited to try them. Oh my god. See these beautiful gouache colors. So I really want to try them soon. And I think basically that's it, unless I'm missing out something in all of these plastic. No, that's it basically. So that's all the things that they've sent me. So here is everything that they have sent me: the mixed media papers, the concentrated watercolors, the gouache, the watercolor tubes, and their watercolor confections, and also the confetti palette. So here you go. This is what was in the second DT box from Artphilosophy. I hope you like these. Thank you all for watching.